Hello everyone, we're gonna start with question number 26. So it says, which of the following lines correctly show the temperature dependence of equilibrium constant K for an exothermic reaction? So we know that the reaction taking place is exothermic, that means the heat will be dissipated. So according to the solution, the equilibrium constant K is equals to AF upon AB E, that is to the power minus delta H upon RT. So ln K equals to ln AF by, we will take ln on the both sides. So similarly ln AF by AB minus delta H e to the power minus x equals to ln equals to minus e to the power x ln equals to x. So minus delta H to the power H naught by R into 1 by T. Therefore y equals to C plus mx. So comparing both the equations, we see line. So slope equals to delta H naught by R. Since the reaction is exothermic, therefore heat dissipated will be negative. Therefore slope will be positive. So we will draw a graph. So x-axis will be 1 by Tk and y-axis equals to ln K. So here is what we get as a graph. So we'll go with answer number 4. Thank you.